Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. And today in this video, we are going to learn how to find the mean for the particular data which is given here, right? Now, this data is about 50 workers who are working in a factory, and their daily wages have been categorized into these class intervals, which is like 500 to 520, and then 520 to 540, and then so on and so forth up till 600 rupees on a daily basis. And under each of these categories they have put the number of workers who are falling under these class intervals, right? So like we can say, by just looking at this data, we can say that between 580 to 600 rupees as daily wages we have got 6 workers total, right? So this is what it is, and now we need to find out the mean of this data. So we already know that the mean is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. Now f, we already know this is f because these are number of workers falling under each of the class intervals, and that's the frequency. Frequency is the number of times a particular data is appearing in that class interval. That's called as frequency. So this is f, and now we need to find out the x. So to find out x, let's do that now. X is nothing but the class mark of a particular interval, class interval. So that's called as x, and x is equal to the sum of upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, right? So if we want to find out the class mark for this particular class interval, we'll simply add up both these limits, the upper limit and the lower limit. So upper limit is 520 plus 500, and we add them up, we divide it by 2, and we see that the answer is going to be 510, right? So now we can write 510. Similarly, for this we can write 530, then we have 50, yeah, yes, then we have 570 for this, so this is going to be 570, and then we have finally 590. So these are the class marks which we have got, right? These are the class mark. Now what we need to do is we need to do the fx. We need to calculate fx here. So let's write down the fx. So fx is 1 multiplied by 510, and that's equal to 510. Similarly, this is going to be 2 multiplied by 530. So we can say 2 multiplied by 530. And this is equal to 1060, so that's 1060. Then we have 1 multiplied by 550, so that's 1100, okay, and then we have 5 multiplied by 570, and that's equal to 0, and then 5 3 carries, and this is like 18, right? Sorry, this is like 28, not 18. This is going to be 28. Okay. Then we have 6 multiplied by 590, and this is going to be like 0, and 9 6 of 54, and 5 carries. Then 6 5s are 30, and then 35. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add all of them, and we will get sigma fx, right? So if we add all of it, then what we get is as 0, then 7 7 12 16, and 1 carry 6, then we have 7 7 plus 8, that's 15, and then 22 carry, and there's like 4 7. So this is what we get as sigma fx, and sigma f, we already know that this is 50. Now we will simply put these two values here. 7060 divided by 50, and we will now simplify this. So this is going to be like 706 divided by 5, and the answer would be 14 and 1.2, right? So rupees. Now this is the median, the mean of the data which is given here. So I hope I could explain it to you and you could also understand this. And in case you have any doubts or queries, you can always drop me the messages and I'll be coming up with the solutions. And this is all going to be absolutely free. We are not charging for these videos as of now, anything for these videos. Right, so keep watching this and you'll have a lot of fun with this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye bye.